Hello everyone, welcome back to our quiz time. Today we have questions on art and culture. As usual, 10 questions followed by 4 choices. 5 seconds time to answer each question. Without delay, let's start. Best of luck. What is the real name of national poet Balkavi Bairagi? Jugal Das, Balkrishnan Das, Tikam Das, Nandram Das. Answer is Nandram Das. Question number 2. Which of the following award winning film had no dialogues? Salam Bombay, Pushpak Viman, Chetak, The Sea. Answer is Pushpak Viman. Question number 3. In which state of India is the Harvest Festival of Kailpot celebrated by an indigenous community? Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka. Answer is Odisha. Question number 4. Which one of the following actors has not been a recipient of the Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Raj Kapoor, Prithviraj Kapoor, Shammi Kapoor, Shashi Kapoor. Answer is Shammi Kapoor. Question number 5. Ananta Padmanabha temple is located in which city? Tiruvananthapuram, Madurai, Kanyakumari, Tanjore. Answer is Tiruvananthapuram. Question number 6. Which of the following books on musicology is not matched correctly in respect of its author? Sangeet Ratnakar Sarangdev, Bradeshi Matanga, Sangeet Makaranda Nand, Chaturdandi Prakashika Tansen. Answer is Chaturdandi Prakashika Tansen. Question number 7. Who is the author of the book The Free Voice on Democracy, Culture and the Nation? Ravish Kumar, Arnav Goswami, Barkha Dutt, Rahul Kanwal. Answer is Ravish Kumar. Question number 8. In which of the following states is May Dum May Fi, the festival of ancestor worship, celebrated? Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Assam. Answer is Assam. Question number 9. Which state's short documentary film Chilupo was won Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2020? Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 10. The book The Battle of Belonging on Nationalism, Patriotism and What It Means to be Indian has been written by Rajdeep Sardesai, Shashi Tharoor, Farooq Abdullah, Barkha Datta. Answer is Shashi Tharoor. This is it for today, all about art and culture. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, and also to leave your valuable feedback on our every video. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Stay blessed.